Hello, my PC students. This next assignment, Motorcycle Specialties Incorporated, again is going to deal with percentages. Alright, so we want to go to File, and we want to go to Open, go to Browse, and go to your Classes Drive, go to PC, and go to Teaching Docs, and open up the one called XX Motorcycle. Alright, double click on that. And the first thing we want to do is go to View, Zoom, and put in your 140, or whatever number suits you. And I think, hold on here, let's have a look. No, we're on Calibri, we're okay. Alright, the first thing it says total the sales. Alright, so there's North America for 2018. In cell B5, hold down your Shift key and click in cell C9, and you see the blank row here. What are you going to do? Alt equals and press enter. Now while the highlight's on, let's right click, go to Format Cells, and choose Accounting with 2 decimal places. No, we don't need, we can go 0 decimal places, and but put a $sign on. Now here we don't want a $sign, so right click, go to Format Cells, and say None. Still 0 decimal places. So there you have your accounting format, your $sign at the beginning of the column, and your $sign at the total. Now the question says, calculate what percent that each region contributed to this total sales in the year 2000. And I missed one. Calculate the percent of change from the year 2018 to the year 2019. Okay, so we want equals. How much was the change? You've got to take 2019, the current year, minus the previous year. That's the amount of change. As compared to means divide. And what are you comparing it to? The previous year. You can't compare it to the current year because that's where you are right now. So you're comparing it to the previous year. So the difference compared to the previous year. Alright, and you see the 0 there, and you know enough now that that doesn't bother you. Drag it down, and you want your percent sign and 2 decimal places. Alright, now we haven't saved this, so let's go to File, Save As, go to Browse, go to your U drive, go to Print.com, go to Excel, and now click in the file name box, press Home, type in your name, use the current date, and leave your name there as usual, and press Enter. Okay, now the question that I had read to you, calculate what percent that each region contributed to the total sales for the year 2018. Alright, so equals, what were my sales? They were $365,000 for North America, as compared to, means divide, the total sales for the year 2018. And the total has to be absolute. Alright, press Enter. This time you got your decimal places, and now go to percent and put in 2 decimal places. Alright, let's go to F5, and you're going to see the same thing. What percent did North America contribute to the sales in 2019? So equals North America as compared to means divide the total sales for 2019. Total means absolute. Alright, press Enter and grab your fill handle and drag down, and you want percent and 2 decimal places. Alright, go Control S to save. And now, what were your average sales? Equals average, right? Open your parentheses, and here are our sales. B5 to B8. Remember, you have to stop at Europe. Don't include the total. And then maximum, you know that means equals max. Open your parentheses, and again, B5 to B8. There's your maximum sales, and equals min. You want your minimum sales, and again, the same grouping, B5 to B8. All right, now that was for the year 2018. Click in cell B11 where your average sales are, hold down your shift key and click in cell B13. And now drag it to the right. And so you have maximum sales for 2018, maximum sales for 2019. And the same for, or vice versa, average, average, maximum, maximum, minimum, minimum. And here, each one of these are different, so you can leave the dollar signs there. That's fine. And now, do you remember how to name the sheet? Double click on sheet and type in sales and also press enter. And then I said to right click on it and choose a tab color. I'm going to choose red. Now, you see the glow? If I'm on sheet 2, you see red. When I'm here on the sales sheet, I see the glow, so I know it's on that sheet. And let's go over this one more time. Go to cell A1, hold down your shift key and click in F1. So let's make your heading about 16, 18, 20, whatever you want. We want to merge and center it, and let's put a color on it, whatever color you want to put on it. And remember, when you go to choose a fill, choose something light, please, okay? Something light. And then drag it down so that you show me you know how to do that, and center, center. And the same thing here, click in cell A2, hold down your shift key, merge and center, and maybe we want purple again, but let's choose a different fill color so that you can show me that you can do that, and drag this down. All right, so it looks good. Let's go Control S to save, and we'll stop there. You can do your own headers and footers.